everyone, this is Jennifer Shaheen, founder and president of Technology Therapy Group. And today I want to talk to you about a great tool, a free tool called Google Search Console. Now, this tool has been around for a long time. Google Search Console was once called the Google Webmaster Tool, and it was a tool, and it still is a tool, to give people who manage websites an understanding of what Google sees happening on your website. And this free tool is going to do so much more for you. So, for example, one of my favorite features is that it will show you how well you're doing on keywords and phrases. I often refer to this as the poor man's SEO tool or search engine optimization tool. Because it's free, you can see the keywords, but you can't choose what to track. So it's just going to tell you every phrase that Google somehow gives you credit for or value to, and where you're positioned. So on page 3 or the 30th position, you'll be able to see that. Another thing I love about this tool is that you can see how many people are linking into your website. So again, if you're just learning search engine optimization and you're not ready to invest in any new software or technology, the Google Search Console can really help you see who is linking to your website. Important things is that Google's search engine gives you different rankings and credits for different things that you're providing, like a better user experience on your website. So this tool will tell you if your mobile experience is good, if your site is running too slow and it needs to be sped up, or the code needs to be worked on. You have all of this inside the Google Search Console for free. So it is worth you taking some time to learn, explore, and just better understand what Google sees on your website. For more tips, please visit us at technologytherapy.com.